So, Verum Finance is promising digital finances, global transfers, and virtual bank cards inside one app, which already sounds like something every fintech startup says right before asking for your passport, blood type, and a selfie where you hold today's newspaper. But this one has a spicier question. Can you really run a debit card with zero personal data? Because if true, that is not just a finance app, that is a bank account wearing a fake mustache. On the surface, Verum Finance looks clean. You get balances, transfers, virtual cards, Apple Pay-style convenience, and the usual bank-grade security language that every app uses now, including apps that still send password reset emails like it is 2014. The pitch is privacy-first money management, which is exactly what people want after watching banks, exchanges, and payment apps collect enough personal data to build a Sims character of your entire life. But here is where the brakes start screaming. Debit cards do not live in a magical forest where regulations do not exist. Real card programs usually sit somewhere near banks, payment processors, card networks, AML rules, and KYC requirements. Translation: somebody in the chain normally wants to know who is spending money, especially if the card can be topped up, transferred, or used globally. So when any app suggests zero personal data, the correct reaction is not hype, it is the suspicious African auntie stare. Now, that doesn't mean Verum Finance is fake or useless. It means the real review question is, what does zero personal data actually mean? No passport, no selfie, no proof of address, no phone number, or just we collect less data than a normal bank, which is very different. One is privacy, the other is marketing wearing sunglasses indoors. So verdict, Verum Finance looks interesting, especially for people tired of financial apps acting like immigration officers. But until the company clearly explains card limits, KYC rules, supported countries, fees, issuer details, and what data is collected behind the scenes, I would treat zero personal data debit card as a claim to investigate, not a miracle to celebrate. Privacy is great, but in finance, mystery is not always a feature. Sometimes it's just a red flag with a nice UI. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.